Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, before, this is my second semester in this IT importance field. So this is my first project or my first video in this second semester. So for the first, this is have to be a tutorial, but I will give this a simple tutorial for you. So we just make it a web that is not using JavaScript anymore, but using but sorry, we're not using JavaScript anymore, but we just continue or just move on to the new language. The name is PHP, but before we have to know it what means of PHP. So the first, this is what means of PHP.
Wait. Nearest time.
So here's what is a PHP. PHP is an crop hypertext processor. So this is what means of the PHP. So like sometimes in the programmer there are two uh, there are two devices. So programmer get two divided to be in two. So the second is about. So the first is a front end developer and the back end developer. So what means of the front end and back end developer? So we just going to know here what the difference between back end and front end. So we just here, front-end developer create the visual elements of the website or app, while the back-end developers handle the underlying functions. So we just make it simple. So front-end is just for the design of the website, but for the back-end is the functional of this website. Like example, the UI is the front-end and the UX is the back-end. So we just make it simple as that. But before, we just doing about the full stack. So we can have the full stack developer. So full stack developer is like the developer or the responsibility of the front end and back end. So like he can do a front end and he can do back end. So we just do a full stack. We use HTML and CSS and we use PHP. So we just continue of this. So the first we have to know that what means of XMPP. So here XMPP is one of the device for you make it a table or in the PHP my admin. So if you want to know, this is the application of the XMPP. So we just open it. We just start the Apache and start the MySQL. So and then we just minimize in here and we just localhost PHP my admin. Just here again. So it's something like this. So we just in here and put in here. I'm sorry, I forgot. So we just go to the website of this localhost web. But before we just going to there, we have to know that we have to turn on of this Apache and the MySQL. So we make it this. So this is one of the table that I make it when I website name is a e-report. So we just look for here just in the structure here in the SQL we can just see in here. So this is the SQL for make it this table. So we just look in here if you want to see here. In the query. In search. So it's something like this. So we just know it. So I make it this pengaduan in the user. So what the function of this user? So the user, there's two of this, so something like this. We're just going to the so wait a minute, I just need to know. Okay, so this is the one of the my website that I make it example. I make it this, so example, I have the account, the name is Secretary SMP, and we just log in. So there will be the in here. So example, I want to fill the e-reports. So example, like your name, my name is Aryan, and what the field for the post, like example like this, and what the function, like example, I love you, something like this. And here there will be the sentence in here. So and then we want to edit the scan, example like I love you, but we just change in here I hate you, sorry, hate you. And we just local cell says that that is already can I hate you, and then we just delete it here, delete it, and delete it, done. And we want to log out, just going to log out. Yes, that's it. Okay, we just continue for the tutorial. So the first, going to the file explorer, just like this. And we're going to the OS chain here. We're just going to XMPP, and we're just going to the Hatidocs here. Wait a minute. Here, and we just make it new folder, name is pengaduan masyarakat, done. And we just make it in here, VS Code, and we just make a new file. We just take like an open folder in here. Going to, and we just take it the file, going to OS chain again, and we just going to XMPP, and we're just going to the Hatidocs before here, as you can see. We just take it the pengaduan masyarakat here and select a folder, and then we just make it a new file in here. Just look it in the here. We make it the new folder here. Just make it new files. .php, connect.php, and then create.php, and then delete.php, and then edit.php, and then index.php, and then we just make a new folder. New folder here, name out. We just make a new file here, name is a function. Function.php, and just make it again. Login and look up. Okay. Oh, we just make a login. Okay. Log out to PHP. Nova and register. Is that okay? Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening. Later we will continue this tutorial. Okay, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.